Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your School Planner app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you is going to show for you like this. Then you click down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list, and there you're looking for School Planner app. Just click on search. Then here add School Planner app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on full stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, and here you search for School Planner. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.